In this video, I'll show you how to delete a section in the Wix Editor with just a few clicks. This is handy when you're cleaning up your site or removing content you no longer need. Start by logging into your Wix account and opening the editor for the site you want to update. Once inside, scroll to the section you'd like to delete. Maybe it's an old gallery, a text box, or just extra content you don't need anymore. Hover your cursor over the section until a blue and purple outline appears. This confirms that the section is selected. Double-check you've got the right one before moving forward. Next, click the More Actions button, usually shown as 3 dots. From the menu that appears, select Delete. The section will be removed immediately. Keep in mind, deletions are permanent, but if you change your mind, you can quickly press Ctrl+Z or Command+Z on Mac to undo the action and bring the section back. And that's it. You've successfully deleted a section in Wix Editor. It's a quick and simple way to keep your site organized and looking clean.